Hi there and welcome to this series of screencasts about your website. First of all, what I'm going to do is introduce you to the various elements of your website and so that you can relate to them in the management side. So starting with the home page, we've got, this is called the slider. Okay, so the slider has images and has some brief text here. Now in the control area of the website, these are managed by items that are called posts. Okay, so a bit basically blog posts, but instead of putting text in them, we're putting images and a bit of text here, and then the website picks up on a particular post and uses the image in this slider. This area here is page content, so we've inserted image, text and buttons, and that's what controls that area. Now at the bottom here, at the footer, we've got four columns here, and these are controlled by what's called widgets. So we've got this widget here is bringing in posts from a particular entry, so this is the special offers. This widget here, we've put some text in with your address. This widget here is bringing in links, and this widget here is a website search. So that's the home page. If we move through to then, let's say, the holiday cottages page, this content here is running in a page, and we've got fixed content that you can log in and change whenever you wish, but it's an actual web page. On the bookings and availability, we're still using a page, but that piece of code that you sent through is pulling in a website from GuestLink that allows for your booking system. So that's how that content works. Now, once you're logged into the website, whenever you're on a page, you'll see, let's say for instance on the farmhouse here, you'll see at the bottom this little edit this page link here, and that allows you to click on that page and go straight through. So first of all, we're going to log in to the website. Now I'm going to log in with my details. I've set up an administration account to make sure that I can always log in and help you out if you get stuck, so it's best to leave that as is, but you don't have to have me as administrator, it's just easier for me. So put your details in there, they will have been emailed through to you now, so enter your username and your password in there, click remember me if you want it to remember that, and then if you forget your password you can click on the lost password. So we're going to click on login, and when you log in you will see a layout very similar to this. Your screen options might be slightly more, you may have some more boxes on the page, they're controlled by this screen options button here, but this is how I've got mine laid out at the moment. And first of all, we've got our dashboard that's telling us how many posts we've got, pages, categories and so on. This quick press just allows us to create a quick post if we were using it for more of a blogging kind of environment. And then this shows you here posts that are in draft mode, so special offer 2 and special offer 3, I've switched those to be in draft so they're not showing on the website. So on the control part of the site here, you've got running down the left hand side, you've got these buttons here, and they can open up by clicking on the little arrow, and this gives you additional options. So we've got posts, add a new one, add categories, I'll show you what categories are in another cast. You've got media, this handles all of your photos and videos, so you can look at the library or you can add a new piece of media. Your links, web links, so useful links out to other website. Your pages, this controls obviously the pages on the website. If people leave comments, then this manages that, but we've not got comments on any of your content at the moment, so you probably won't be using that at the moment. And then your appearance, this handles the theme of the website. Widgets, showed you some widgets on the home page there. Menus, that controls the navigation. The base template that we built your site on was this, it's called Hulk, and then we've modified it to match your requirements. The editor allows you to edit pages directly in the HTML, which again I wouldn't recommend unless you really know what you're doing. Plugins are very useful because this adds additional features to your website without having to recode things. So you can have plugins for all sorts of things, for email systems, for e-commerce, all kinds of different plugins that you can get to plug in and enhance the website. Users, this handles people that can log in and edit your website. So we've got 2 at the moment, you and myself. Then you've got some tools to do with import and exporting your data. And then you've got your settings, which manages kind of like how your website's set up, which domain to use, how the URLs look for each page, and so on. And then when you've got plugins, you've very often got additional features. So this handles the little icon at the top of the page here, the slider on the home page, Google Analytics, and so on and so forth. So that's a basic rundown. So in the next video, we're going to have a look at posts and how they work with the slider.